Hello, let me show you how you can perform the first setup of the Samsung Galaxy A26 5G. So to do this quickly, you will have to start by clicking Start for sure. And right now you will have to start from selecting language. So you have to scroll up and down and pick up your language. Now click Next in the right bottom corner. And right here, you have to only accept the end user license agreement. You don't have to send diagnostic data. Click Next, and right now we can send data from your previous device, but in this way we are gonna make the first quick setup, so we can also do this later. So in this case, set to setup manually. Now you will have to connect into the Wi-Fi network, so in my opinion, the best and the fastest way is just to click on the right upper corner to scan a QR code. You will have to grab your phone and put the frame into the QR code, and it will be actually scanned automatically. Now when you are connected, we have to actually restart phone for service provider setup. Okay, and right now you can turn on your mobile data if you already inputted the SIM card. In my case, I'm gonna turn it off. Then click Next in the right bottom corner, and now just wait a little bit to get your phone ready. Now select Do Not Copy in the left bottom corner. And right now you are able to sign in into your Google account. So click here and then input your account. And in this place, input your password. Click Next once you actually input the password. Select who will be using this device. So in my case, I will be using this device. So select one of the following options and click Next. Now click Agree to add your Google account. Then you are able to pick up your screen lock. In my case, I would like to set up the pattern. So select your screen lock and input this screen lock 2 times with the same way. So in my case, the same pattern. Then click Confirm. Right here, you got some Google services information, so you can use location. You can also allow scanning for Wi-Fi networks and Bluetooth, but you can also turn it off. I can actually recommend you to disable this one and disable to send usage and diagnostic data. Click Accept in the right bottom corner. Right now you can perform the Google backup if you want, but in my case, I don't want. I want to get a fresh start on my new device, so I'm gonna select Do Not Backup. Now click Next to select your search engine. I'm gonna use Google. Click to set as default, and in the next step, you will be able to set up your browser. Or even not. We got the Google Assistant, actually the Gemini. So click Continue, and right now if you want you can set it up. So you can use, for example, the Hey Google, but I'm not using this feature, so I'm gonna select No Thanks. Now it's almost the last step. We have to just wait a little bit to set up our device. And now we are able to sign in into the Samsung account. We can use our Google account, email or phone number, or sign in with QR code. But I'm gonna actually select not now. I'm gonna actually set up later in the settings. I don't want to actually do this right now. Click Skip in the left bottom corner, and right now you will have to select only terms and the conditions. And that's basically everything. Click Agree in the right bottom corner. Right here you can find some Samsung services like Auto Blocker, customization services, and personal data intelligence. For each one, you can actually find short description what it does. So if you want to enable it, you can leave those markers, but if you want to turn off, for example, the customization service, then you can just unselect this. That's actually your choice. I'm gonna enable everything. Click Agree in the right bottom corner. Right now you can choose your display mode, light on or the dark. Click Next after selection. Right now click Next in the right bottom corner, and right now it is finished. So in this step you can just simply click later because it's gonna recommend you some kind of the apps. For sure you can simply download apps from the Play Store anywhere, and that's all. That's how we can actually set up this device.